Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel today. And this is going to be, yes, actually, welcome to my day one through to day two of my lead gen secrets, where I've been mailing my leads. This is going to be my day one through to day two video. I was supposed to mail out yesterday, but due to some constraints, I couldn't mail out yesterday. So as you can see right now, without wasting so much of your time, let's get right into the video. I'm not going to waste so much of your time. I like cutting to the chase, so just get to what we are doing. So as you can see right now, my Clickbank account. Like I said, if you haven't already gotten a Clickbank account, you can use the video. Maybe I'll have a card up where you can just look at it and you can just go and create your Clickbank account if you are from a restricted country, right? So with that being said, let's just dive right into the video. As you can see, I'm in my Clickbank account already. So the first thing I'm going to do, like I said, these leads work for people that are looking to make money online, kind of like business opportunities, right? So the next thing, as you all know the drill, for you guys have been watching YouTube for quite some time now. Next thing for us to go to, before we go there, I don't want to just show you guys real quick something. As you can see, the account is empty. I never made a sale on Clickbank. So let's see if this system is going to do that. It's going to change that. So next thing I want to do is to go back to marketplace. As usual, as everybody must have watched these videos before. Go to marketplace, then scroll down. I actually like this new Clickbank interface. It's actually looking real nice. I like the fact that they've changed it on the old one. The old one was not really looking chilled, but then the next thing you want to navigate to is to go over to e-business and e-marketing. As always, so how we promote this product basically is like you can I was watching a video yesterday and I was told that you can start promoting them one by one. As you can see, this one gravity is pretty high, 157. So gravity score, it just tells you like how many affiliates are promoting this product. That's what gravity is all about. No need to complicate it. So moving over, let's continue. So for me, I'm going to be promoting these live chat jobs. I saw it on a video yesterday and I was like, maybe I'll just start with this one. So this product, if I get a sale, I'm going to be paid $61.88 per conversion, right? Then as you can see, why this product is going to convert is because it has a $1 trial and everybody has $1, right? Even when you're watching this video, you have $1. Everybody has $1, right? So I think they are going to upsell them. As you can see, upsell flow, recurring. So if they keep staying on the stuff, they're going to pay recurring commissions, affiliate tools, $1 trial, multiple work links, one time, right? So next thing you want to do is there are so many products here you want to promote. You want to click on affiliate page, right? And like I said, this was what I said concerning in my other video, that you don't need to get the email swipes that they are going to upsell you to get. So because most of all these products, they have email swipes already. So the next thing you want to do is you want to scroll down. There's so many. If you want to run ads, as you can see, short ads, FB image ads, product images, there's so many things. That's one thing about affiliate marketing I like. They give you all the tools. Your job is just to run traffic to it, right? Okay, next thing you want to do is to go over to email swipes, which is what we are doing. Then as you can see, there's so many emails for you to promote, like email 20, right? So many emails. So next thing I'll do is I'll click on email 1, right? Job offer, live assistant, pre-header, body, this is all the mails, right? So but before I go over this, the first thing I want to do is I want to go and generate my hop link. So next thing I want to do is I want to click on promote. Then I sure that's the product. Okay, live chat jobs. Okay, so let's click on promote. And so I'll just input the tracking ID. I'll input MLGS, stands for my lead gen secret. I don't know, I'll just click on default and I'll just click on create hop link. So this is my hop link. Next thing for me to do is to copy my hop link. Right, let me keep it safe somewhere so that I can go and copy it anytime I want. So I'll paste it here. That's my hop link. So the next thing I want to do is to use this email swipe. So let's go. I'll copy the subject line first. That's job offer live assistant. Then I'll click copy. Then I'll go over to, let me refresh if I'm still logging. I just hope they've not actually like logged me out and stuff, because I've been inactive. As you can see, login has expired. So I'll log in again. I'll open my password. I'll hit enter, and now we are in the system. Alright, so as you can see, leads today, leads yesterday. Like I said, they give you 100 leads for $1, right? And that's like 30. So 100 leads, multiplied by 30 days, that's like 3,000 leads. So at the end of 3 days, so 30 days, you're mailing 3,000 people. So next thing you want to do is you want to go over to mailing system. Then you select this one. So I think you're going to choose by mail by date. And because I didn't mail these guys yesterday, right? So I didn't mail them yesterday, so I'll mail them to, then I don't know, I didn't save any. So you can actually save emails. You can save email swipes if you want, and you can just click on load. But I don't have, this is my first time. So next thing I'll do is I'll input the subject line here. I'll paste this, job offer live assistant. Then next thing I want to do is I want to copy this. I don't think I need that pre-header, so I'll just copy the body and everything. I don't know. Okay, hi name, body, skills. Alright. I just think I'll just copy everything as it is, like this. Then I'll copy this as it is. Next thing I'll just do is I will Control A, delete everything, and I'll Control. Oh no, not that was a mistake. Sorry about that. Then I just hit Control V, or you can just right click and hit paste. Right, so everything is actually looking there. So the next thing you want to do is you want to change this actually. So it's going to be, but I don't know, the emails, they actually have names. So it's going to be hi Jeremiah, hi James, so there are codes for that. So if you want to do, you scroll up, then you click on, you have for codes for first name, full name, first name, last name, email address, IP address, sign up date. So for me, I want to go for first name actually. So I'm going to copy this code right here. I'm sorry. So like I said, I'm just doing this on the fly. This is my first time, so it's okay if I make mistakes. It's my first time. I watched a couple of videos yesterday. Okay. I don't know. Okay, so I think I just hit Control V. So I think you can't really paste. So this is all the thing I'm looking at for you. So this signature that says, I just put my name. I just put Jeremiah. Let's put Jeremiah, and that's all. So here is where I'm going to put my hop link, right? I actually wanted to do something different in that sense. So let me go and grab my hop link real quick, you guys. Copy this. I'm just showing you guys how easy it is to mail this leads. Then I'll click. Sorry about that. No, I'll highlight this one. You can actually highlight it like this, or you just hit shift on your keyboard, then use your arrow keys. That's live. Then the next thing you want to do, you want to scroll up, then you want to like hyperlink that. So click on this, then paste. Right, it's a URL. So I'm coming. Let me check something real quick. I think he removed that. I want to check if that HTTPS was there. Okay, I think he removed it actually. So I just hit OK, right? And let me make sure there's any other thing I have to check. Tab, okay, URL. So I'll hit enter. So scroll down, um looking out for you. Like this is how easy the whole this mail system is. Just do it the way I'm doing it. If you finally get into the system, and you just pick one product from the marketplace and just promote like that. I wanted to do something different. I wanted to build like a landing page whereby I'll collect these people's emails, but I have not actually finalized the landing page yet. When I'm done with the landing page, I'll show you guys so you guys can actually do it. That's why I said I'm going to do it a whole lot different than everybody. Everybody just like promoting it that way, but I want you to build my own email list at least from the get go. When these lists start getting too much, I'm going to be using the free plan for most of all these things. So, but I want to use them to build my own email list so that since I have a YouTube channel, I can actually promote my things to them. So, next you click on perfect timing. So let's read that and see. We can now predict the optimal delivery hour of day for each of our leads. In a nutshell, it is the time slot when the subscriber is most likely to open and click through your emails based on the historical activity. um Actually, we do more than just predict. We can deliver your email exactly during this sweet spot time window, landing on top of their mailbox and boosting your open and clicks. So you have to click on this so that, as you have read, they know when the people are going to be online, and so they deliver your emails. So as you can see, I'm just doing this on the fly. I'm just doing this, like I said. Then you click on, then first thing I do, you click on preview first, just to see how the name is. So it's going to be, let's see, the person's name is James. Like I said, the person will be greeted with hi James. See, I didn't hyperlink this one, so I also need to be careful not to make mistakes as well. So you need to be meticulous and check your email links, because you don't want to be leaving money on the table. So you keep paste and hit OK. So that's just basically. Let me scroll down and hit preview again and check. Okay, click here. Click here. So a simple email. I don't want to use Jeremiah's marketing, so I don't want to do like it's like a mail that is makes this kind of like I'm trying to sell them something. So I just like use Jeremiah. That's all. I close. Then I'll just hit send email. So as you can see, your message has been queued. You should be able to view it in the statistics page in a few moments. So that's that about that. Like I said, this just literally takes you like 15. I don't think it's even 15. Maybe let's say 30 minutes tops. You can sit down and do this for like 10 minutes to 30 minutes tops. So that's for the first email a day. Um. Okay, so that was basically it. And I think most people, what people do, they include their image. Maybe sometimes in the future I'll kind of look for a fine picture of me, and then I'll put it here. Okay, so that's just basically. So let's go and check the statistics. All right. So as you can see, they started 200 emails sent. I made that 200, zero opened yet. So I'll come back tomorrow, and just see how. I'm not really expecting anything, because I just started this whole process. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. This is my day 1 to today through my legend secrets. If you guys want to join me on this journey, to making my first sale, just for now, just make my first sale on Clickbank. Yeah, just make my first sale on Clickbank. You guys can use my link in the description below. So once you use the link, actually, let me just show you guys something real quick. Come here. Just search for it real quick. I want to show you guys something. So that okay. I think let me just log out real quick. I want to show you guys something. Alright. So when you click my link in the description below, you will be brought over to a page that looks like this for you guys that want to sign up. So let me walk you through the sign up process. Then you click on use my secret now. Then you input an email. So let me just input this one, and I'll click here to get started. So you just input your username, your password, you confirm, your password, your first name and your last name. Where do you hear about us? You can write my name here. As you can see, just $60 today, $30 setup fee, and $30 a month afterwards. Then $30 after every 30 days. So then you input your credit card details, then you click on yes, let me in. And I want to also like about this system is like literally very fast. Like I said, if you're a Nigerian and you are finding difficulty, make sure you use Wallet Africa. This is actually very good. As you can see here, they have Naira and dollar cards. When I started with their support, they don't have Naira cards anymore. Their dollar cards are available. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'll catch you guys in my day 3. This is like 1 and 2 together. So I'll catch you guys in my day 3. And yeah, bye for now.